Brainerd Chemical is built on experience and defined by innovation. As a hybrid manufacturer and distributor, we are uniquely positioned to serve partners with agility, scalability, and accuracy. From high-hazard specialties like peracetic and hydrofluoric acids to cutting, blending, and scaling solutions, we handle complex projects with confidence and precision. With expanded facilities, smarter supply chains, and strategic growth, Brainerd delivers advanced chemistries faster and safer. Across the country and around the corner, we're one of the largest PAA and HF suppliers in the U.S. We also work with purpose, serve with care, and invest in the communities we call home. Backed by 65 years of excellence, Brainerd Chemical is driven by solutions and powered by progress.